The Eastern Peripheral Expressway (EPE) or Kundli Ghaziabad Palwal Expressway (KGP Expressway) is a 135 kilometers long, 6-lane wide expressway passing through the states of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh in India. The expressway starts from the Western Peripheral Expressway at Kundli, Sonipat, passing through Baghpat, Ghaziabad, and Noida districts in UP and Faridabad district in Haryana, before rejoining the Western Peripheral Expressway near Dholagarh, Palwal. Eastern Peripheral Expressway, along with Western Peripheral Expressway, completes the largest ring road around Delhi. The Eastern Peripheral Expressway was declared as National Expressway 2 in March 2006. The expressway has been constructed at a cost of Rs 11,000 crores to relieve traffic congestion in the Faridabad-Ghaziabad stretch, and also to prevent pollution causing commercial vehicles from entering Delhi. Eastern Peripheral Expressway is expected to divert more than 50,000 trucks away from Delhi and reduce air pollution in Delhi by 27%. It was inaugurated on 27 May 2018 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Baghpat. Eastern Peripheral Expressway will be connected with Yamuna Expressway via an interchange which is being built at Jaganpur of Jalpur village near Noida International University in Gautam Buddha Nagar district. The EPE has a higher speed limit of 120 km per hour. For commuters, there are 7 exit points on the EPE. All these exit points are named after the villages such as Baghpat, Duhai, Dasna, Dadri, and Atali Chasna, leading towards Meerut, Ghaziabad, Moradabad, Noida, Greater Noida, and Faridabad. There are 406 structures including 8 rail overbridges, 4 major bridges, 46 minor bridges, 2 toll plaza, 3 flyovers, 7 interchanges, 70 vehicular underpasses, 151 pedestrian underpasses, and 114 culverts. The 135 km long expressway has a closed tolling system in which toll will be collected only on the distance travelled and not on the entire length. 2.5 lakh trees have been planted along the highway, which will be watered through a drip irrigation system. A cycle track of 2.5 meters has been developed on both sides of the expressway. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.